So Ken, what are you expecting to hear at the court today?
Good morning, Joe. Well, it's first important to point out that by the way the court has handled this case, it's already made a decision that's affected the presidential election, because by not agreeing to take it up when Jack Smith first asked them to do so on an emergency basis, and then by not taking it on an expedited basis, sort of taking it under regular order here, they've already created a significant delay here that means that this election case, however they rule, can't go to trial probably before the fall. And now we come to exactly what they're considering here, which is the question of whether a president has absolute immunity. And then there's a second question here, which is whether anything that Donald Trump is accused of would actually constitute a presidential act implicated in the immunity question.
Just making sure you're okay. Is everything okay? We hear someone yelling.
Yeah, it's fine. We have a heckler here outside the Supreme Court.
I've got to say, they obviously have been following the David Pecker testimony. They're yelling fake news, and they obviously want viewers to know that Donald Trump lied about JFK's assassination, tried to blame Ted Cruz. He's yelling fake news also because Donald Trump lied along with David Pecker. They worked together to lie about Ben Carson, to lie about Hillary Clinton. Fake news all around. So I want to thank him for actually
framing it
for us. We want to make sure you're okay, but also we want everybody watching to know that person screaming fake news, obviously talking about all the lies that Donald Trump perpetrated about Hillary Clinton and all of his opponents in 2020. Go ahead. Or 2016. Go ahead.
So in terms of where the Supreme Court could come out on this, very few legal experts believe that they're going to adopt Mr. Trump's argument that a president has absolute immunity. But there is a possibility that the court may decide that there are some decisions presidents make, for example, in the national security realm, that perhaps shouldn't be subject to the scrutiny of a prosecutor. And if they do that, that could cause significant delay here, because they may throw the case back down to the district court and ask the judge, Tanya Chutkan, to decide, okay, which of these acts alleged in this indictment would constitute official acts? And likely almost none of them would, because we're talking about Donald Trump's effort to overturn a presidential election as a candidate, as a politician, not as the president. But nonetheless, asking the judge to do that could significantly further delay this case and mean that it may not get to trial before the November election.